Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's take a look at Solana. What is happening with Solana and where we could see the price of Solana going as we do end the month of October and as we enter the month of November ahead of us. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. And if you have not already, hit that red subscribe button. But now let's take a look at the markets. You can see we're seeing a little bit of red across the board, a little bit of green, but what is next for Solana? That is what everyone is here for. So looking at the price of Solana right now, you can see it's at $32.19, up 1.3% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 2.4% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. We are seeing BTC retrace a little bit, but despite that fact, we're seeing Solana hold against it in a positive way. Looking at the market cap, $13.5 billion with the 24-hour trading volume sitting above $1 billion mark. So, the overall steam that's in Solana that we're seeing over the past 2 to 3 weeks is still here. It's still here. I know a lot of people right now are getting bored after they saw that 70% pump. Let's go take a look at that. If we're looking at it on the weekly time frame, you can see this for yourself. Solana up 20.2%. And if we're looking at it on the monthly time frame, it's up 70%. And people don't look at that. People get tired of these massive gains. People just want continuous green day in, day out. But let me tell you, that is not reality. There's going to be times where price does consolidate, sideways momentum does occur. So this is where your patience really gets tested. And speaking about patience, I'm sure a lot of people have seen or kind of figured out the importance of having patience, especially the ones that have been accumulating within this range. This was a 18-month accumulation period, and we finally broke out of here just a week back. And that should tell you the people that accumulated around there, now they're the ones that are going to enjoy the gains. So this is where the patience really kicks in. But what is next for Solana? That's what we're going to discuss. As always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, my viewers, I asked my community members just a few days back. You can see this for yourself. The question was, do you want to see XRP daily updates? And a lot of people did say yes, but a lot of people want to see Solana updates. You can see this for yourself. A lot of people commenting Solana. Casp is of course up there, but Sol is one of the top ones being mentioned. You can see this for yourself. So, that's why we bring you guys these Solana updates on a daily basis. I know I missed 2 days, but I haven't really been feeling the best. So, that is the reason as to why I did take some time off, but we're back. And as I say, we're back. What is next for the price? You could see for yourself, guys. The price of Solana is sitting close to yearly highs. We did hit a new yearly high just 2 days back, which was $34 per Solana, and I was giving you guys this indicator, this momentum that was shifting back on October 12th. And there was just something that was right in front of us that a lot of people were ignoring. That really spoke to me that there is a breakout coming sooner rather than later. And as a matter of fact, once that fake news came out about the ETF being approved, we saw Solana really take off, and that's where the interest has switched up. Everyone is really bullish on Solana. Once again, people are taking Solana quite seriously. And speaking about people taking Solana quite seriously, it's quite a meme going on around the crypto space, especially crypto Twitter if you are on there. One person, a huge content creator that has gone through so much controversy over the past 2 to 3 months, you guys know who I'm talking about. That's none other than Ben Armstrong. And you can see this for yourself. Just 1 day ago, he posted this tweet. It says, "Welcome to the squad. Hashtag Solana soldiers. I'm your leader, Ben Armstrong, the Sultan of Solana. I love you guys." And we know no one really wants this guy or his image associated with any coin. And there's so much comments. You guys can go see this for yourself. A lot of people are like, this is the biggest sell signal for us. Some people are saying, is it time for us to unstake our Solana? I'm not a big fan of the dude, especially considering some things that he has been involved in over the past few weeks. And then of course I don't really like getting into people's personal life. That's up to him. But as far as the crypto content goes and misleading your overall viewers, that is something that I do care about. So I understand where people are coming from. I love Solana. I totally love Solana, but this guy coming in, that's just, it gives you a negative vibe to it. Now he's going to start talking about Solana this, Solana that. I'm not up for it, but let's see what happens. But yeah, just wanted to cover this because this is the most bearish news out of Solana. We're seeing everything else doing great, but people are calling this the biggest bearish news, and people are calling this a sell target or sell signal, whatever you want to call it, which is quite funny to me. And I understand that. It's not that I don't understand. I totally understand where people are coming from. But what is next for Solana? Now that I got the rant out of the way, what is next for Solana? So basically, as I've said earlier to you guys, we're sitting very close to yearly highs. Bitcoin dominance is still quite high, almost sitting at some yearly highs. Seeing a little bit of a retest in Bitcoin. That is the reason as to why we're seeing majority of the altcoins on the daily time frame right now being in red. But like I said, Solana is one of the very few coins that is outperforming, and I continuously expect that this is going to continue this rally towards the upside. And the overall momentum just shows that to us. Of course, we have quite a bit of resistance in our way, but the main target remains the same, which is at $40 per Solana. And to be quite frank with you guys, that is where I feel comfortable for the price of Solana to be at. And I think that is where some more sideline money that might be still waiting for a confirmation to come in might enter, because this marks this consolidation phase to come to an end. And now a lot of people could come and argue that the consolidation phase has already come to an end because of course we broke out of this insanely important level of resistance at $26.95, which we were trying our hardest to break out of literally since January of this year. But we did break out of here after the XRP lawsuit win. But October was the month where we finally broke out of here, and this time around we're actually staying above there. So $40 Solana is still that main target. And yeah, of course, once it reaches this zone, this marks this end to this massive consolidation, and I think this could drive in more FOMO than we'd expect. And could even lead to the prices going back into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And the last time the price of Bitcoin was there was, I'm sorry, not Bitcoin, Solana. Last time we were there was back in May of 2022. So that would be quite interesting to see. But we're going to be taking it one step at a time. Let me know down below what you guys think. Thank you so much for all your support you guys show me on a daily basis. I love you all. And with that said, I will see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.